Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about different types of investments. Investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to understand the different options available to you. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about EFTs. EFTs, or exchange-traded funds, are a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges. They are similar to mutual funds, but they are traded like stocks. EFTs can track a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. They are a great way to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. Next, let's discuss cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. They are a high-risk, high-reward investment, and it's important to do your research before investing. Moving on to IRAs, or individual retirement accounts. IRAs are a type of investment account that allows you to save for retirement with tax advantages. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars, and your contributions and earnings grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, and your contributions and earnings grow tax-free. IRAs are a great way to save for retirement and reduce your tax burden. Finally, let's talk about precious metal investments. Precious metals, such as gold and silver, have been used as a store of value for centuries. They are a great way to diversify your portfolio and protect against inflation. There are several ways to invest in precious metals, such as buying them physically or investing in mining companies. And there you have it, 4 different types of investments that will help you make more of your money. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.